travel today, but not together because we are not going in the car. I'm going in the bus. He goes in the bike. It's raining so much, and he's just gonna bring me to the bus station now, because my bus is off to leave at 9:30. Then means to come back at the bike and prepare stuff. So just arrived here, and I think my bus still not here. Time check, 9:11. Bus arrived so late. Buon viaggio tra Rio de Janeiro. So I'm here inside the bus already, and my seat number is 27. So in here pala, hindi ka makakasakay sa bus kahit may ticket ka na if wala kang card. I mean, sa mga Brazilian is RG or CPF. But sa foreign is passport, and in my case is a resident card. And I got a good place. 10:05. Very popular, this beach. This is the CR. Ay. It's like in the plane. So we finally arrived here in the Rodovia of Ubatuba, and lots of people are going to ride. Look, it's going to get full, the bus. I'm so hungry for for lunch. It's our first stop because of super traffic. And sadly, Panda cannot travel today because the bike had a problem and we needed to bring to the mechanics. So I will travel tomorrow. Hopefully. Because tomorrow is gonna be the Christmas, yeah. Time check. So we stopped here in Parachi for lunch. It's 3:37 already. We have 30 minutes to lunch or do whatever. And then go to the restaurant we used to go to Panda. It's still raining. Look, it's still raining. Raining so much. Tada! Restaurant. I think it's self-service. That's the board. So this is my lunch. Mix it. Finally in the Rodovia at exactly 8:23 p.m. and I still need to get an Uber or go to my mother-in-law's house. Now I think we'll be here. I'll be asking a car. The Uber we got ride got hit. Look, we got hit by a bus. Luckily it wasn't so strong impact, just my jaw is swelling a bit. I don't know, my head is so hurting. Look, it's broken. I don't want to go out. I'm scared. We are still in the highway. The driver is still talking with the bus driver there. My head really hurts. Oh my god. Thanks God wasn't so strong impact. The bus who hit us. The driver is still getting his information, but we are safe.